Hello everyone, welcome to Drea's Halloween workshops for our spooky story stroll. Have you noticed that this time of year all the leaves on the trees have changed colour and are now dying? This time of year summer season starts to die down and nature gets ready to sleep for winter. We celebrate this change in season with Halloween, where we dress up in spooky costumes like skeletons and witches. We carve pumpkins and we light them with candles and we have fun in the dark. Today we're going to be broom makers. This broom has leaves that make the witch fly faster. This one is made from eucalyptus for a witch with a runny nose. This one has seeds on the end for the bird feeding witch. This one is a pine broom and it's perfect for witches that want to sweep their chimneys. This style of broom is perfect for sweeping up the dead leaves and flowers from the summer months. And with this broom bucket, the witch can collect all the ingredients for her potions and spells. To make your broom, you will need scissors, masking tape, some twine, sticks, and something to make your bristles out of. Take a small stick and wrap the first layer of bristles around the top of the broom. Use masking tape to stick the bristles in place to secure your first layer. Hold the second layer slightly further down the broom and secure in place again with masking tape. Cut some twine and hold your broom one end and twist your twine tightly all the way down to cover the masking tape. When you've twisted it down the masking tape, tie it to the other end. Use your scissors to tidy up the bristles at the end. Now let me show you how you make your special broom basket. Take one strip of masking tape with the sticky side out and wrap it around to make a hoop. Take another strip of sticky tape and stick it on the outside to the sticky side. Use some tape to make the bottom. Cut a stick that you can use for your handle. And hang it on the end of your broom. You could tie some thread onto your broom so it could hang as a Halloween decoration. Next, let's try making a silhouette to sit on our broom. Concertina some black paper. Draw a witch's shape. Let the drawing go over the sides of the paper. Cut around the shape, remembering to leave some of the sides connected. Now you can separate the three witches. Stick your witches' silhouettes onto the broom. I wonder what they'll get up to when I'm not watching. To make our bigger brooms, we use longer sticks and more bristles, and we do the same thing all over again. Now let's add the twine. Hold one end and spend some time wrapping the reel around the broomstick until all the masking tape is covered over. I hope you have fun making brooms for this Halloween, and see you soon. Bye.